Alright, well, I got my first two pieces done. Clearly did better on this one than I did on that one. I got way better heat penetration here. But that's just, I'm getting better as I go. Yep. That's first two pieces welded together of many. Yeah, thankfully I have this that I'm going to be welding onto it with. So a little bit thinner rather than, I just want to use this stuff for the really structural parts of it. So yeah, whether or not that's necessarily going to help, we're still probably going to have to at least, I don't know, man, double bolt it maybe. Hopefully just welding it helps. Plan on using factory bolt location plus welding, so should be enough. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna keep on going and see how I do, I guess. Well, good news is I got my first piece pretty well bent. Not bad, right? For just some at-home stuff. Bad news is I kind of toasted this. Yeah, because I'm not exactly using it as intended. You know what I mean? But yep, that's officially no longer working. So it's garbage. Woo! How am I? Yeah, this is gonna take me a while, huh? See, is it coming? Is it coming to mind yet? You guys see what I'm trying to do? Obviously, there's gonna be a top plate that I'm gonna either through bolt this or weld it directly to, possibly. But yeah. So now I gotta bend the bottom piece and then do the same thing in the opposite direction for the holes. Then weld everything back together, and that's gonna be one bracket made out of two. Whew, man, this would be a lot easier with a metal bender. I think I'm gonna be going to my stepfather's shop sometime this weekend. Hello YouTube land, and welcome back to this Subaraj. We're of course not working on a Subaru, but still got our Mach 2 sitting here. I've done some off-camera work on these guys. I understand these are not perfect, but this is my first time doing this stuff, and the entire purpose of this is just to get it to roll enough that we could get it out of the garage, so that this weekend we could use the garage for my daughter's first birthday party. A little bit of additional seating. We are back at it again, and I'm gonna finish these off, finish boxing them in, finish tapping the holes, which is gonna be a nightmare because all my bits are dead from doing the first one, so it's gonna take a minute. Use a bunch of different bits than I normally would, which is fine, but we are moving on and we're continuing the process. So as you can see, this guy will be kind of going on these like that. I have 2 of them made. This will get welded to this. I don't think specifically this, but I might end up using these guys in here just to hop over the pinch weld. I don't know whether it's a good idea to cut out the pinch weld or not, but I definitely measured for no pinch weld, so probably gonna end up cutting it out and then trying to re-weld it and making sure it's good still. You know, for now, this is probably just gonna be through bolted and bolted just enough that we can hook this baby out of here. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right on to it. I'm gonna try to set up this camera so that you guys can actually see things, which is always probably the most difficult part of doing any of this. But here we are, back in the garage, and we're just gonna get it done. We're gonna do what we can. So, see you in the hyperlapse.
With the maggots while you lie in the mud. I'm so sick of this shit, you're always flapping gums. Acting tough but be the first one to run. Pull up with the blade, you leave with punctured lungs. Make out with the maggots while you lie in the mud. You're not too wise, a lack of mind, I'm cracking ribs. Be sure to find a landmine, packed in my fist. Let's jump inside of the pit and start shattering limbs. Oh no, blood on my Timbs, I did it again. Embrace the violence, don't care who I hit, we snapping necks. I ain't impressed by the flex, you getting no respect. I'm the Leviathan, hide is violent in the depths. You going down with the ship, this thing's a bloody mess. So think fast, your life flash before your eyes. This ain't a game, no extra lives, you die, you die. Keep praying to the sky, receiving no reply. My fist ready to split lips, just cross the line. I'm so sick of this shit, you're always flapping gums. Acting tough but be the first one to run. Pull up with the blade, you leave with punctured lungs. Make out with the maggots while you lie in the mud. I'm so sick of this shit, you're always flapping gums. Acting tough but be the first one to run. Pull up with the blade, you leave with punctured lungs. Make out with the maggots while you lie in the mud.
My mama told me, don't sleep with guns in the bed. I tell her it's caused by all the thoughts that run through my head. Couple shots fly at the blink and wonder you dead.
Well, that's it for the holes to be drilled. As you can see, you could probably tap another one on the back side of this one. I ended up having to kind of spin it around because I sort of junked that one up, but it'll be redone. It'll be all right. No problems here. Got all the holes drilled. Everything seems like it lines up correctly. Next, we're going to start modifying the inside of this engine bay to house our new brackets. And, I mean, we could probably finish up the brackets too. Probably wouldn't hurt. Got to do some grinding, grind in some bevels, box them in, add some structure. You know what it's about. We're looking for power. Not really. You get the point, right? Right?